Welcome back. My name is Leslie Skelly and I'm a senior consultant with IDCON. This is tip number 11 in the Practical Planning Tip series. Did you know that within industry that over 50% of corrective work is repetitive? What does this mean? Over the course of the year or several years, it is a guarantee that you as a planner will see the same work order again. A way to add efficiency in the planning process is to develop standard job plans. A standard job plan is a detailed planned work order using a standardized template. Procedures, estimates, best practices, industry standards, and other details will normally be more detailed than one-time work orders. Typically, standard job plans are attached to the equipment it applies to and can be easily accessible. Developing standard job plans has many benefits. As mentioned, is the reduction of the planning time and effort. They capture the expertise and knowledge of people who have done the work before. Over time, they improve through the process of continuous improvement with the feedback provided by technicians. And lastly, standard job plans can be used for training new hires. Organize a cross-functional team to develop a standardized template to capture step-by-step instructions, referencing photos, and technical specifications. A great goal for a planner and your organization is to build a continuous library of standard job plans. Explore your CMMS functionality to properly attach them to the equipment or create a shared drive. Ensure that you follow a formal nomenclature or naming process so they can be retrieved. Thanks again for your time. Like this video and add your comments and feedback. Please subscribe to IDCON's YouTube channel for additional information and videos.